Abu Huraira reported Allah's Prophet, peace be upon him, as saying, "Let him be humbled into dust, let him be humbled into dust." It was said, Allah's Messenger, who is he? He said, He who sees either of his parents during their old age, or he sees both of them, but he does not enter paradise. Abu Huraira reported that a person said, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, who amongst the people is most deserving of my good deed? He said, Your mother. Again your mother. Again your mother. Then your father. Then your nearest relatives, according to the order of nearness.